Okay, let's take a look at the unboxing of the Oclean X Pro Elite. So as you can see, there's the lovely charging box. A bit more about the toothbrush, what it comes with. Again, very, very nice packaging, which reflects the premium feel of the product. Just going to take a look and open it up. So there you go. To start with, you've got the quick start guide that goes through how to set it up nice and quickly, which we'll do just now. You've got the product manual as well, a bit more information about it. You've also got now the toothbrush head is here. I actually took it out of the package earlier just to have a look at it before I did the unboxing. And there's the toothbrush there as well. This is the side, come back to it. So as you can see there, it is there. A lovely design. And put the toothbrush on there and turn it on. It's as simple as just pressing the button and it comes on. Now this is touchscreen as well. So which basically means by doing the sides, you can change the menus. So you can change that to go through different types. Actually, I'll bring it a bit closer. So you could change the menus there by going through it and change them. So what I might do is just go back and look at the box before I go into that too more detail. So you've got the wireless charger here as well, which you can use. You can also mount it on the wall as well, if you want to mount it on there as well. And the toothbrush just sits there too. So very nice packaging with the toothbrush, really like it. So let's now try and so let's now set it up. So to start with, you press the button there to set it up. I just want to see if I can make the screen. Okay, so you've got the option 1, gives you the default mode. So default is just standard clean, but you can also change the mode here as well. So you can clean, you can do sensitive, you can do massage, and you can do white, and all these have different parts. Now you can also adapt the mode. So if we go down further, press the button again. So it started, we'll go. So it starts to clean. As you can see, it's cleaning there at the moment. See the head's vibrating? Now that's the diamond bristles as well that's using it. Again, no sound. You can't really hear it, which is absolutely perfect. That, to go back into something else. You can change the duration of it too if you want. You can increase or decrease it depending on what you want. Let's go back. And also you've got the intensity. So intensity, you can increase the intensity if you want. So up to 20, so as you can see, it goes all the way. So this is a full customization of the different modes that you can do. So depending on what you want, you can do it. I'm going to test them out, as I said, shortly and have a look how it works and the duration. So yeah, very, very nice toothbrush, beautiful.